Hi, today we will show you how to edit your render from advanced options. First, we need to apply the materials from Photo Studio. After, we will go to Rendering tab. From here, the environments will change with respect to Photo Studio tab. We will need to define a new environment. In this case, we select Gem Studio. We have the option to select various environments from the library, like Rhino Interior. Then, we'll change the ground plane using the material, also with the possibility of loading several materials. The material options must be preloaded from Photo Studio. Then, we have the possibility to edit the materials applied from Materials tab. In this case, we have duplicated the rose gold to edit. We will try to change the metal tone from custom settings. Then, we will apply the new material to the model. Finally, we will launch the render calling the view capture to file from command line, and we will get the final render.